Hey guys, you wonder what I've been doing for the last couple months, why I haven't posted on social media? So I've been building this cabin for our family. Over the last couple months, we bought the lot last year in August and started the construction here in April. Just finished up, well, almost, as you can see. We're still working on landscape, still a little bit of construction. But for the most part, the house is done. The house is 3,328 square foot livable. It's got 4 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. It also has a 6-car garage, so you guys don't want to miss that. You want to be able to check out everything. It really turned out incredible. So you can see we designed a modern cabin. That's what we wanted. So we did a lot of modern architecture with it, but then brought in a lot of the elements for being a cabin with the stone and the wood siding, the fireplaces. But as you can see, we've got a lot of modern features in the house. Lots of glass in it. We did the metal roof on it too, just because we're up here in the snow. So we wanted to make sure we get the snow off of the house, plus give it that modern feel of that steel roof there. So come on, let's walk through. I'll give you the full tour here. Take a look. Of course, we're still finishing the landscape, but at least you can see what I've been working on. It's been a lot of work getting all this done up to this point. So we ordered this custom light fixture from Israel. It's all handmade glass. The ceilings are 26 foot tall here. So all the way up to the top's 26 foot tall entry. We did steel railings with stainless steel cables in them. So this, as you walk in, this is the game room here. So we've got some more furniture and games and stuff coming, but of course we've got TV, little refrigerator, kind of snack area, some coffees and drinks, and right out here to the hot tub. These doors open up right out to the hot tub, right out to the forest. This is the national forest here behind us. So nobody's gonna build back here or anything. What you see is what you get. That's what we've got. So we've got some floodlights here to be able to see out here at night. We've got this 7-person hot tub with this cover on it, which is super cool. So once we're done using it, of course, we just lower this top all the way down. It comes all the way down to the top, covers it up, so it keeps people out of it, keeps it warm, of course, and just a nice hard cover so we can have it in the wintertime with snow and everything. So that's pretty cool. We got artificial grass that's coming in here, and like I said, out to the national forest. So in here is my office. Got a little fireplace in here. Office, of course, looking out, hard to see now, but looking out to the national forest. Got a little extra couch and stuff in here too. So this way, this is the mud room. So as you come in from the garage, typically, you'd have some cabinets and place to sit down. We got some coat hooks and stuff coming. Be able to put your shoes and boots and kind of take stuff off here. We've got a bathroom here as well. So again, if you need to, come in, go to the bathroom, anything like that, we've got it all ready to go here. Everybody wants to see the garage, so here it is. So we've got 6-car garage. So of course we've got the 2020 mid-engine Corvette with us today. We've got the Jeep, a couple Razors, and then my son's car here too, and obviously we've got room for at least one more car in here, probably a little more room than that. Did the epoxy floor, garage cabinets, all self-closing doors on them. Of course you saw from the front the double insulated doors with the windows in them, so it kind of lets a little light in. It's a pretty cool little feature. Barn door in the garage too, to the mechanical, gotta have that, right? All right, so let's head upstairs, take a look up there. So you guys have seen the game room, seen the office, seen the garage, seen the hot tub. Now we're gonna go upstairs. This is where the kitchen, family room, bedrooms, all that are. So let's go take a look. So here you've got family room, kitchen, of course, right out to the forest. It's starting to get a little dark, so hard to see, but we'll walk out here before it gets too dark. Well, fire table, got some heaters out here to keep you warm. Of course, the same view, but a little higher of the National Forest like we talked about downstairs that you could see. Got a little barbecue, shutter here to keep the sun out and the wind out if it's sunny or windy. All right, so back into the kitchen. So we did this huge island, so we have as our dining table with the kitchen sink and stuff, of course. All custom cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, double ovens. Don't make fun of our green crappy couches. They were actually from our old cabin that were left behind 5 years ago. We never got rid of them, and we ordered new custom couches for here, but they're not in yet, so we had to bring them over here again. But nonetheless, they're very comfortable, just very ugly. But anyhow, nonetheless, so this is the family room. So we got a fireplace here as well for those cold winter days to be able to look out into the snow, into the forest. Over here, of course, looks down into the front where we just came up with that custom light fixture all the way down to the front door there as well. This way, continue down. We've got a pantry, or what some friends are calling as mini Sam's Club. So all 4 bedrooms here all have their own bathrooms. So this is bedroom 1 with its bathroom as well. So like I said, all of them have their own bathrooms, granite counters, tall cabinets, custom tile showers. They're all custom closets in all of them as well. Half bathroom here. All the doors are shaker style doors, 8-foot tall, 10-foot tall ceilings throughout the whole house, upstairs and downstairs. Here's the laundry room. So we did white cabinets here with the gold handles. Just kind of keep it nice and bright and clean for the laundry. Down this way is bedroom number 2. All the bedrooms have TVs as well. All good sized bedrooms, same thing. Granite counters, custom tiled showers. So we have Nest thermostats, custom steel crest registers as well. So it's a whole smart home. We've got switches and everything that we can control from Wi-Fi, all of our camera systems, everything we can see from anywhere. Turn on lights, turn off lights. This is bedroom number 3. Same thing with tiled showers, walk-in closet in this one, granite counters. All the bedrooms, bathrooms all have their own tile in the showers, so all just a little bit different. And then of course the master bedroom. So master bedroom here, we've got another fireplace here, electric fireplace, nice big TV, of course walk-in closet as well. This one we've got, of course, got the barn door too, double sinks. And then of course the master shower, rain head, as well as the regular heads too, with the pull-out wand, marble tile with the white tile as well in the master. So all turned out pretty good. So I just wanted to show you guys around the house, show you what I've been doing the last couple months, and just give you a tour of the house. Or our cabin, I guess, but really as a house, obviously. But again, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Leave me any comments below if you want to know anything, materials, colors, anything like that. Be happy to help. But this is what I've been working on the last couple months, so I apologize for not posting very much. But I've been doing this, and then of course a ton of transactions too, so it's just been really, really busy as well. Just haven't had time to do anything. So I wanted to show you guys a video of what was going on, what I've been working on, what's been going on in my life. So here's what it is. Here's almost the finished product. Again, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna have a lot more videos now that I have this project done. Of course, real estate related mostly. Got a lot more car content coming as well. Plus, of course, the real estate market is on fire here. So definitely tune in, make sure you watch the videos. We got lots of different things coming. Of course, have some courses coming as well. So lots of big things coming up. So just wanted to give you guys a whole house tour. Again, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.